Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. Second chapter numbers and sequence exercise 2.9 first sum. Find the sum of the following series. So series is given depending upon the sum of natural numbers a formula will be used. If it is a square formula will be used. If it is a cube numbers formulas will be used. Accordingly we will be using the formula. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 60 numbers it is given. It is a continuous number from 1 to 60. So the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula we are going to use here. Okay, so the formula for this is sum. So we will write it as 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 60 is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is equal to 60 it is given. N is equal to 60. So this 60 we will be substituting it here. So 60 into 60 plus 1, 60 plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 60 into 61 by 2. So when we cancel this we will get 30. So 30 into 61 it will be 0, 3, 1, 8, 3, 0. So this is the sum of numbers from 1 to 60. We will be using this formula. We got the value for this. Then the next one is here it is not continuous number. Here in this question they are having the multiples of 3 they are having. So we will take 3 common out. So we will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 31. When we divide this by 3 we will get 32. Sorry, we will get this as 32. So here now we got the continuous numbers. So 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 32. So now the formula is 3 into n plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to 3 into n is 32 here. So 32 into 32 plus 1 by 2. So when we simplify this we will get 16. So 3 into 16 into 33. So 6 3s are 18, 48, 48 into 33. So 48 into 33 is 8 3s are 24, 144, 144. So we will get the answer as 1584 for this. So 1584. So this is the sum of numbers from 3 to 96. 3 plus 6 plus 9 up to 96. The sum is 1584. Sum is 51 plus 52 plus 92. If it is continuous from 1 to whatever number is given, then we can use the formula directly. But here it is given in between. From 51 to 92 only it is given. So how we are going to do is from 1 to 92 we will find the sum. Then we will subtract from 1 to 50. 1 to 92 we will find. Then from 1 to 50 if we subtract whatever number is the remaining. When we subtract both these whatever is the remaining that will be the sum from 51 to 92. Whatever question is given that answer we will get. Okay. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 92 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 50. Okay, so for this now we got a continuous numbers from 1 to 92. So for this the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 where n is equal to 92. For this one also n into n plus 1 by 2, for this n is equal to 50. So both we will subtract. Okay, so here n is 92 into 92 plus 1 by 2. Here minus 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. So 92 into 93 by 2 we will get minus 50 into 53 by 2. Okay, sorry, 50 into 51 by 2. Then we can cancel this. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. So we will get 46 into 93 here. Yes. Here also 2 50 50 is 25 times. So minus 25 into 51. So now we will multiply 46 and 93. So 6 3s are 18, 6 9s are 54 plus 1, 55, 4 3s are 12, 9 4s are 36 plus 1, 37. So 8, 7, 2, 4, 2, 7, 8 we will get. So 4, 2, 7, 8 minus 51 into 25. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. So 5, 7, 1, 2, 7, 5 minus 1, 2, 7, 5. So 4, 2, 7, 8 minus 1, 2, 7, 5. We will get 3003, 3003. So this is the sum of 51 to 92. So this is the sum of 51 to 92, 3003. Then fourth sum is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 225. Here this we can write it as 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared up to 15 squared. Okay, so for finding the sum of the square numbers, we have to use different formula. That is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula to find sum of the square numbers. So here n is equal to 15 given. N is equal to 15. So 15 into 15 plus 1 into 2 into 15 plus 1 by 6. Okay, so 15 into 15 plus 1 is 16 into 15 plus 2 30 plus 1 31 by 6. So now 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, then 3 5s are 50, then 8 5s are 40 into 31. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so 1 2 4 0. The sum of the square numbers from 1 to 15 is 1240. Next our fifth sum is here square of numbers from 6 square to 21 square we are asked to find. So for finding this, first we will find from 1 square, 2 square up to 21 square we will find. Then subtract from 1 square to 5 square. Okay, so from 1 square to 21 square we will find the sum. Whatever sum we are getting, that we will take minus 1 square to 5 square. So if we subtract this, we will get the sum of the remaining numbers, that is the required number whatever is given. Okay, so here formula for sum of the square numbers is formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n is equal to 21 minus, for this one same formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n is equal to 5. Till 5 numbers, here till 21 numbers. Okay, so now n is equal to 21. So 21 into 21 plus 1 into 2 into 21 plus 1 by 6 minus, here 5. So 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1 by 6. Okay, so now when we simplify this, we will get 21 into 21 plus 1 is 22 into 2 into 21 is 42 plus 1, 43 by 6. 43 by 6 minus 5 into 5 plus 1 6 into 2 into 5, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 by 6. Okay, then this can be cancelled. So 2 3s are 6, 2 11s are 22, then 3 7s are 21. Then after this Same thing here also. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So here we will get 7 into 11, 77 into 43 minus 5 into 11 is 55. Okay, so 77 into 43 is 7 3s are 21, 23. So 7 4s are 28, 29, 30. So 1, 11, 3, 3. So 3, 3, 1, 1. So 3, 3, 1, 1 minus 55. Minus 55 here. So 6, 5, 2. 3256. So when we find the sum of 6 squared to 21 squared, the value is 3256. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.